Hello guys, this is Rahul from Technoria, and today we are going to do quick unboxing of this Asus Zenfone 4.5 and take a look over this phone. So without wasting any time, let's just unbox this phone. When you first unbox this phone, you will first find the Asus Zenfone 4.5 with, and let's just keep it aside and we will take a look at it later. Let's just see what else we have in the box. There are only two things, a wall charger and USB cable to charge this phone or to data synchronization. There are no earphones, which means you have to buy earphones separately for you. Let's just take a look over this phone first. This Asus Zenfone 4.5 comes with a screen size of 4.5 inches at diagonals, and it has a screen resolution of 480 by 854 pixels. It is a pixel density of 218 ppi, means pixel per inch. This screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which means it's a scratchless screen. Let's just take a look at the side. On left side you have nothing, just a indent over here to pull the back cover. At bottom you have a primary mic and micro USB port to charge or data synchronization. On right side we have a power and sleep button and volume rocker over here. These are plastic button but finished with chrome, so it gives you a good feel and premium look. At top we have 3.5 audio jack, and we don't see any secondary mic, which means there is no secondary mic for noise cancellation. At back we have a 8 megapixel camera with LED flash. We have Asus branding here and Intel branding over here, and we have a speaker grill over here. Let me show you how this phone looks like from inside. So this is a dual SIM phone, and we have two SIM slot here, and it will accept micro SIMs. First SIM will be 3G and secondary will be standard GSM SIM, which will be 2G SIM for you. And we have micro SD card slot over here, which means you can extend the internal memory up to 64 gigabytes. And it has a sealed battery, which means you won't be able to replace the battery if you need in future. Okay, let's pull the cover back. This phone runs on dual-core Intel Atom Z2520 processor clocked at 1.2 GHz. And if you talk about software of this phone, then this phone runs on Android KitKat 4.4.2 out of the box. Recently, other Zenfone series phone has got KitKat update, but this phone runs on Android KitKat right out of the box. As you can see on the lock screen, you will get three options: camera, dialer and messaging app, which means you can directly launch these apps from your lock screen itself. And if you talk about the UI of this phone, then this phone runs on Android KitKat, and top of which you will find Gen UI. The Gen UI is quite smooth and we didn't face any kind of lag till our usage. Okay, if you pull down from left side, then you will find your notification center here, and if you pull down from right side, then you will find your toggle option here. This comes with lots of toggle options like Wi-Fi, auto rotate, sound, location, airplane mode, mobile data, auto synchronization, reading mode, and so on. One thing which we like to mention here, that this phone won't come with auto brightness feature, which means you have to adjust your brightness every time. Okay, if you talk about the settings, let me first show you the version which this phone is running on. As you can see, this phone runs on Android 4.4.2, which is a KitKat version, and you will find some setting over here like easy mode, which if you are having trouble using this phone, then this easy mode will enlarge the icon so that you can easily notice and you can easily find them and use this phone. If you talk about the storage, then this phone comes with 8 GB internal memory, which can be expandable up to 64 GB using micro SD card. But if you talk about the internal memory, out of 8 GB, somewhere around 4.5 or you can say 4.8 GB is free for you, as we had installed some apps, so that's why we are seeing less memory here. And if you talk about the RAM of this phone, then this phone comes with 1 GB of RAM, and out of which you will find 560 MB free RAM, which will be more as we are running some background apps on this phone. If we talk about the display of this phone, then display of this phone is quite good, as we are able to see this phone from each and every angle without any pixelation. Apart from this, let me just show you the camera of this phone. The camera app of this phone is somewhere custom, and you will find some option like turbo mode, and here you have icon for images, and from this you can record videos. This phone supports continuous shooting. If you hold and press this button, then it will shoot up to 100 images. Let me show you the video here. This phone will be able to record video at Full HD as well as HD of 720p and 1080p Full HD videos, so you will be able to record Full HD video with this phone. Thanks for watching. This is Rahul Sharma signing off.